Welcome to this Windows and Computer and Technology channel, and we have some interesting numbers. AdDuplex, that is, of course, often giving us numbers of the different versions of Windows that are available, is actually giving us numbers of Windows 11 for the month of October. It's at 4.8% of PCs. So this is very interesting. A 5% gain in Windows 11 in the first 3 weeks of release is pretty good. And, we have a lot of people saying, well, nobody's going to upgrade to Windows 11. And most computers out there cannot do it. Well, if you count that not everybody was seeing it, not everybody is interested in upgrading to it, still 5% of computers are on Windows 11. I think that's a darn good number for a startup of just 3 weeks of an operating system. So these are AdDuplex numbers. Microsoft has said that there are roughly 1.3, 1.4 billion PCs running Windows. So 4.8% is like 70 million computers running Windows 11 right now. I mean, it's still a small number compared to the whole PCs around the world, but it surprises me. This number is surprising for me. It's going to be interesting to see next month what that number is going to be about, because I find this to be very interesting. For Windows 10, most of you are on Windows 10, of course. The Windows 10 21H1 is 37.6% of PCs, the dominant version, and 34% on 20H2. So this is the together, of course, they are at 71.6%, the majority. And there's still quite a few people on the version 2004, which is 14.1%. That version, I just want to remind you that if you're on the version 2004, which is the May 2020 update, your end of support is getting near. December is the last support, the last patch Tuesday you guys will get. This means that there's just about a month, barely a month and a half left of support for version 2004. So if you're there, better move on to 21H1 or 20H2, as it's getting more and more important to do so if you want to stay safe. So 21H1 and 20H2, the two last versions of Windows 10, are dominant at 70%. And once again, kind of surprised at the 4.8% of Windows 11 already. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching our videos.